Hello everybody, this is Tapish. The topic for today's presentation is noun and types of noun. Definition of noun. Noun are words that refer to a person, place, thing or idea. इसम वो अल्फाज है जो किसी शख्स, जगह, चीज या ख्याल का हवाला देता है. They can be common or proper, concrete or abstract, and countable and non-countable noun. Example of nouns include book, chair, John, New York and happiness. Definition of common noun. A common noun refers to a general, non-specific person, place, thing or idea. Common noun से मुराद है गैर मखसूस शख्स, जगह, चीज या ख्याल. Example of common noun includes dog, book, city and idea. Common noun are not capitalized unless they appear at the beginning of a sentence. Definition of proper noun. A proper noun refers to a specific person, place, thing or idea. Proper nouns are always capitalized regardless of where they appear in the sentence. Proper noun से मुराद है एक मखसूस शख्स, जगह, चीज या ख्याल. प्रॉपर नाउन को हमेशा कैपिटल के साथ इस्तेमाल किया जाता है कतई नजर इससे कि वो किस जुमले में कहाँ जाहिर होते हैं. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ प्रॉपर नाउन इंक्लूड्स जॉन, न्यूयॉर्क सिटी एंड क्रिसमस. आई सॉ अ डॉग रनिंग डाउन द स्ट्रीट. कॉमन नाउन. I saw Fido running down the street. Proper noun. Concrete noun definition. Concrete noun refers to a tangible physical thing that can be perceived through five senses: sight, sound, touch, taste and smell. Concrete noun से मुराद ठोस चीजें, जिस्मानी चीजें हैं जिनको सेंसेस के जरिए महसूस किया जा सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल includes chair, table, cat, apple and rain. Definition of abstract noun. An abstract noun refers to concept, idea and qualities that cannot be perceived through senses. They are intangible and can only be understood through mental process such as thinking, feeling or imagination. Abstract noun तसव्वुरात, ख्यालात, खसूसियात से मुराद है जो कि पांच सेंसेस के जरिए महसूस नहीं की जा सकती. Example of abstract noun includes love, happiness, freedom, justice and courage. Countable and non-countable noun. Countable noun refers to a thing that can be counted and have a plural form. Example of countable noun includes book, chairs, dogs and houses. Countable noun से मुराद है ऐसी चीज़ें जो कि गिनती की जा सकती हैं और उनकी ताकसीर शक्ल होती है. Non-countable nouns are also called mass nouns, refer to things that cannot be counted such as substance, concept or feeling. They do not have a plural form and are usually considered as singular. नॉन काउंटेबल नाउन उन चीज़ों से मुराद है जिनकी गिनती नहीं की जा सकती जैसे मादा, तसव्वुरात, एहसासात. Example of non-countable noun includes water, air, happiness and advice. Sometimes a noun can be both countable and non-countable depending on its meaning. For example, paper can be both countable, 3 papers, and non-countable, a sheet of paper. In general, countable nouns can be made plural while non-countable nouns cannot.